guys, today we're going to be talking about the app called Future Point. See if I can get into it. This is an Instagram page right here. See how they're a pretty legit website, and it's its own mobile app. I'm just checking through it right here. You can see this actually has more followers than my actual main account. See how it has 172.k followers. I'm actually going to show you my account that I have on Instagram. I was about to tell about my old account. Let me show you my new account that I have on Instagram. Right here. Should we go in a minute? Yes, this is actually my account right here. As you can see, I don't have very much of anything, and it has way more followers than I do. So this is a pretty legitimate website. I actually just checked it out myself. This is my account right here, and yeah, this is certain things that you can do. You can earn the object of the game. Well, the object of the app is to earn points and get cash. That's how simple it is, to be honest. Just scroll down here. I actually just found this app today, so I wanted to do a quick video on it. Yeah, you can, as you can see right here, you can cash out via PayPal, gift cards, even Visa gift cards you can cash out. Bitcoin you can cash out. This is actually a pretty legitimate website. I'm actually on the app right now, and here are different tasks and surveys and stuff you can do in order to redeem points. This is actually how I gain a whole lot of points on this app, through this right here, Instant Win. We'll click on that. It's like a scratch ticket. You scratch it off, you get 3 in a row, you get tokens. Now tokens can redeem into points, and like I said earlier, points can redeem into money. And right here you have your referral code. This is another way that you can earn points, and you can actually earn an online income by doing this, actually, because if you refer somebody and they actually use it, each point they get, you get a 50% of the point. So it's actually a very good website that I had to check out, and I wanted to do a quick video on. So you have your referral link. I'm actually going to go back to, oh yes, you can actually, if you use my referral link, I'll give you a free Netflix account, my Netflix account. I'm not selling anything or doing anything like that. No, I'm not doing anything like that. Just if you click on my link in the description and sign up, then just DM me, follow me on Instagram, DM me that you're done it, and I can send you the Netflix information. So yeah, this is actually a very good website. As you can see, I'm just scrolling, looking through the website right here. This is actually the reviews of the website. Is a 4.4 rating. I'm gonna show you guys right now the rating of this app. As you can see right here, is a 4.4 rating in the App Store. So this is actually a pretty good app to really use. Let's go back in there, see what else you can do. And it's not really like a slow moving app. This is actually one of the best apps I can find. You can actually make some good money on. See, you can redeem Amazon, PlayStation. It's a lot you can do with this app right here. So yeah, just follow me on Instagram, and I'll just let you know. Thanks for watching.